Hi teachers, in this video I want to share the app Tellagami. This is a student video creation app that can get your kiddos really excited about sharing what they know and what they have learned. I'm going to start by showing you some examples of some student created Tellagamis from different grade levels. This first one is a third grade example, and
My names are Lola and Tia, and today we will be teaching you about Earth. Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. Earth is home to many different plants and animals, and it is the only planet with life.
here is another example from fourth grade.
We're preparing to hunt. I am taking care of a horse right now, so no one can steal him, and he's my favorite horse. Everyone else is also busy. Women are gathering food, and men are making sure they have what they want. I'm ready. Are you?
My name is Haley. I'm a native.
And here's an example from kindergarten.
A plant has four parts: the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the flower. Did you know?
So you get the idea. This app can be used across lots of grade levels, and the kids really love it. So I'm going to show you step by step how to use this app. We'll start by launching the free app and click Create. And you can adjust the character. The kids can make the character look like themselves. So I'm going to click the button that says character here. And I can change the gender. I can change the skin tone, the eyes, the eye color there, the head size. So if I keep clicking, it'll change the size, the hair color. Now I want to point out here that some of the features in Tellagami are paid features. So if you see the lock on here, this means that you cannot use that specific feature unless you pay. So, I would recommend in the school setting just to, stick with the free one. You can change the color of the hair. You can change the color of the shirt, but again, you'll notice the lock here. The pants, I can change the color, and then the shoes here. Okay, once I have my person the way that I like, I'm going to come down here to emotion. There's several different types that you can choose here. So I'm going to just choose happy. And background, this is the most fun part. For the background, you can upload an image that you have saved to your camera roll. And so, for example, I can click here, library, if I already have an image on my camera roll. And I can look here at my images and I can choose, let's say, the sun. Maybe I've learned about the sun and I want to share what I've learned about the sun. I can add that image. That when you click library, it's an image that is on your camera roll. If you click camera, it's going to actually launch your camera. And so you could take a picture of the classroom or maybe a scene outside, and you could take a picture of that and add that as your background image. You can also click doodle and create your own background image. You'll notice down here there are packs that are locked. There's a couple of free ones, so you can check those out and you can choose from those if you don't have an image on your camera roll. Okay, once you've chosen your background image, you can click the back button because the next step is to actually record the voice. So I'm going to click back and it allows me to create a message. So when I click message, it gives me the option to do a text or a voice, and I'm going to stick with the voice because I think that's really powerful when the kids can use their own voice. One thing to point out is that you do only have 30 seconds with the free version. The paid version does allow for a longer time limit, but the free version I think will suffice for most of your work. I would recommend the kids create a storyboard or a script beforehand. This is an awesome opportunity for you to include that writing piece and then let them read their writing, which is great fluency practice. So when I click record, it gives me a countdown and then I start recording my voice. I'm just going to do a quick recording as an example. This is the sun. This is the sun. And so I recommend you reminding the kiddos to definitely listen to their work before they finish. And so when they're done and they like their work, we can move on and share it. If they want to record their voice, they'll just click voice again right here and click record. This is the sun. And this is the sun. It will delete what they already did and it will let them re-record. So pretty simple app. They can preview their work again if they want to listen to it again. They can add some text there. I'm going to click share because once the students are done with their project, they're going to want to share it. So click share and you'll have them save their work to their camera roll. So if you click save here, it's going to take just a few minutes to load their Tellagami, and what it's going to do is add that Gami or Tellagami to the camera roll or the photos, and then the students would have the opportunity to possibly share that with the class or maybe add their project to the Padlet that you've created. So if you need any help with that, be sure to check out or ask your technology coach and they can help you to do that. I hope that you will give Tellagami a try. I know your students will really love it.